You didn't explain how you did this.
So what we're doing is we're doing 26. We're trying to find the middle of what it equals by 26, and since it's divided by 2,
okay, why don't you explain? You're doing number 1, 26 divided by 2.
And then we would do 2 groups.
Because you're dividing by 2.
2. And then we would count up to 26.
Count out loud.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're going to be needing bigger to box.
Okay.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And then we would count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then it would be 13.
Okay, so you got there. Good. Now do this one, number 2.
And then 80 divided by 4. Then you do 4 groups. And instead of counting up all the way to...
You pushed divide by accident.
Oh.
That's okay. Here. Sometimes that's my trick. I just do that.
There we go. And then we do 4 groups.
Right.
And then since we don't want to count up to 80, one tally mark will count as 10. So we'll do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then it would be 20.
What do you do when you see something like number 3 then? Does that method work?
No.
Could it kind of work?
I guess it would, but I don't know how I would do that.
Let's try it. And I like the way you're explaining things. Okay, so it's 42 divided by 3. So you'd make 3 groups, right?
Yeah. And then...
What's the closest you can come to?
We could go 10, 20, 30, and then I could do 5, and then 10, and that would then be 40, and then it would be 5, then we would have 6, and then you could do 2 on here, so
okay.
Closest you would get would be like 6.
I think you're getting really close to that. So this would count as 10, 20, 30,
and then 5.
That would be 40.
Yeah.
And then you put
2 for the 2 and the 40.
Okay.
Unless you would just be estimating, like the magnitude estimate, which would be 40.
Work it out this way, and then maybe we could figure it out this way. Okay, how many times is 3 going to 42? Just take
I'm guessing...
Here, try it this way, partial quotient.
Just
make up a number. Because it doesn't have to be exact if we do partial quotient.
So I'm thinking maybe like 8.
Let's try 8. That works perfect. Okay. 24. Now we subtract that. It's 12 minus 4.
8. 2. Wait. 1.
Okay, 18. So, how many times are you going to do 3 into 18?
7 times?
7 times 3 is 21.
Oh, so probably like 5 or 6 times?
Let's try 5. That'll be 15, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we have 3 left, so how many times is 3 going to 3?
0.
3 goes into 3 how many times?
0 times? 1 time?
1 time.
Yeah.
So now we add these up. What's that when we add them up?
14.
Yeah. So can we work backwards and say how do we do, can we use this method? Oh, wait a minute. What about this?
Maybe if we did it in ones, it would end
That
up
would be
even.
tens, right?
Yeah.
And then do ones?
Yeah. And then do ones the rest.
Okay. 1. So that is 33, right?
Yeah. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42.
So then we count up that.
10,
Oh, 11, it did work.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it would be 14.
So this does work if you do it this way,
So
right?
then that would be 14.
Right. And it's the same as this one right here, too. I like that. Nice job, Eden.